In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change estimated tax payments on TurboTax. If you need to update the estimated tax payments you entered earlier, TurboTax gives you a straightforward way to go back and edit them. This is helpful if you notice a payment amount was entered incorrectly, if a payment date needs to be adjusted, or if you simply want to review each quarter to make sure everything is accurate before you move forward. To begin, sign into your TurboTax return and look at the top navigation area. From there, hover your cursor over Deductions and Credits. This opens a section where TurboTax organizes tax breaks, payments, and other related entries. You do not need to click immediately at first. Just hover so the menu appears clearly. Next, click on Deductions and Credits Summary. This takes you into the summary page for that section, where you can review the categories connected to deductions, credits, and certain tax payments. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a second and wait until all the options are visible before continuing. Once you are on that summary screen, find and click Estimates and Other Taxes Paid. This is the area that includes estimated tax payment information, along with other tax payments you may have entered during your return. Make sure you select the correct section so you are editing payments rather than another deduction-related item. After that, look for the Estimated Tax Payment section and click Revisit. The Revisit button is what allows you to reopen the entries you previously made. This is especially useful if you already completed this part earlier and now need to correct or update something instead of entering it from scratch again. When the estimated payment details open, you can edit the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter entries. For each quarter, you can update both the date and the amount. Take your time here and compare what is shown in TurboTax with your records, such as payment confirmations or bank records, so the information matches exactly. Accuracy matters because estimated payments can affect your final tax balance or refund. Once you finish reviewing and editing each quarter, double check that every amount and date is correct before moving on. Even a small typo can create confusion later, so it is worth taking an extra moment to confirm everything. That's how to change estimated tax payments on TurboTax. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to update your quarterly payment information quickly and confidently.